welcome back to my channel. I know it's been, I think, a little over a week since I've last posted. If you don't follow me on Instagram or my vlog channel, I had a bacterial infection in my face, which was just gross. So half of my face is sticking out, I couldn't film, I wasn't on camera, blah, blah, blah. But now we're back. Today we're doing colorful outfits. I'm super in the mood for color this spring. I just am like, how many colors can I fit in an outfit without looking like a weird art project that nobody wants to look at? You know what I mean though? How can I fit as many colors as I can and still make it flow is kind of my goal this year. I'm just feeling like fun and excited, and I want to wear a lot of colors. So I hope you enjoy these outfits. Let me know your favorite one. And yeah, let's get into the video. You guys, hey, hey, hey. I wanted to make it like a brunchy, fun outfit. And since we're doing colorful outfits today, this is one of my most colorful pieces that I own. This little over-the-shoulder blue button-up. This is from, I think from Shein, but they have like a nicer section of it now. And this is really, really nice. The quality of this is amazing. I mean, and look how gorgeous this dress is. Like the color, I've taken fabulous photos in this. Like, look at the back. Do you die? I die. And then I just paired it with some white sneakers and a little bag to like dress it down but still keep it cute and girly and fun. I feel like a mix of just like dressy and casual wear is really, really cute. Put the hair up, got some hoops in. I would wear this to brunch. And then, you know, sometimes when you're at brunch and it starts getting windy, I would just be like, no one talk to me. Picture me on my way to brunch, and this is my roadie on the way. Gotta have a roadie on the way to brunch, obviously. I'm coming, yeah, I'm coming. I know there's so much traffic, I'm foot traffic. I'm walking as fast as I can. I know, I'm really coming. I swear. I'm on my way. See the vibe? Isn't it cute? I just love it. I love it so much. Look at this one. I normally don't like to do blue and green together. Well, certain shades of blue and green, because it reminds me of the Seahawks. I just try to avoid it. But I think this combo, it's not as bright as the football colors are, so I feel like it works. But I went with this top that's actually from a matching set that's really old from Fashion Nova. These Nasty Gal pants. I need another pair. I need to find other pairs of them, and I need to steam them. I just keep wearing them like this. And then I paired it with these nude, what are these? They're not mules. What are they called? I don't know. Bamboo bag. My cute little sunglasses. They feel so cute. I literally feel like a little, I don't know. I can't breathe. I just took so many TikToks. Hold on. It's hard out here making TikToks. It's okay. I look like the earth in this. I've got the ocean. I got the land. I got the trees. Like the wind in my hair. I could wear this to brunch. I would wear this out at nighttime, like for a summer night, like girls' night. I'm just into colors, okay? I just want to be colorful. I feel like a creamsicle with a mint leaf. The thing is, okay, these white pants, as you can tell, are the longest ever, and I haven't even cut them before. I've mentioned that in other videos. So I do have to like roll them up one. The only problem is with the way my butt sits, I guess. Sometimes it flips back out. I don't even have a big butt. I don't know how it does that. But I think because my lower back goes in, I don't know. But anyway, look at how cute, the orange and the white. I love the creamsicle vibes. I went with the same shoes from the last outfit, and then I threw on the green with it because I just feel like it's fun. It brings some more color. I'm telling you, I'm all about the colors right now. It's just making me happy. I'm obsessed. And then I did similar. These were in the first outfit. And they're just the same as from the last, oh, I'm wearing them every outfit. The same as the last outfit, but they go green to orange, which I like to match with this. So cute, right? And then the open back of this top. I am out of breath. And I've been getting back into the gym, you guys, and my legs have been hurting, like, I also love that these pants have this texture to it with the mix with the pattern. I don't know, I love that. I think I talked about that in my last style video, how I love mixing patterns and textures right now. I just feel so, you guys, I'm having a dilemma. I wanted to wear pink and yellow together, but this is all I own. This isn't an outfit. This is just all I own. Dilemma alert. Alert, 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 alert the closets. Now, the only other option I have, oh, hold on. Don't look at me. This is actually cute. I'm doing tie-dye pink with stripes. Should I do my green bag with it? Dude. Running errands, girl. Okay, saw my dilemma. This is cute. Except this is orange, not pink, but we have like sorbet happening. Green, pink. And then just white, like I would run my errands in this. Like, come on, let's run. Or I would go get an ice cream in this. Stop. Don't look at my closet. Can you see in there a lot? Just don't look that way, I trust you, okay? Just stay right here. Okay, thanks. For a second I was like, oh no, I failed. Oh, look, see, ready? Watch this. Do we do the brown ones? I feel so cute. When you look good, you feel good, okay? Are you looking? Okay, great, love it. I only did 4 outfits in this video, but I need your help. I need you guys to let me know in the comments below color combos that you want to see me style. I need to do some spring and summer shopping. Some clothes don't fit me anymore. Some clothes I just have had too much wear and I need to throw them out, and they're not even worth giving them away. Like, they're just tattered and torn, and you know? So I need to do some spring shopping. It's about to be like 90 degrees next weekend, so I need to get on it fast. But I want to hear from you guys. What color combos do you want to see? What colors are you really wanting to learn how to style? I'm really into like oranges and blues and greens and pinks. But if there's anything else you want to see, let me know and I will do that. Yeah, let me know what other style videos you want. What should we do next? Are there certain ways you want to see a certain item or an outfit? Do you want to know how to style certain pieces? Like, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? Let me know. All right, I love you guys so much and I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.